Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to configure the motion and gesture in your Samsung Galaxy M15. To this operation, slide up, go to settings and search for the option advanced features. Yep, and there is a motion and gestures here. And there is a few options that lift to wake up. When you enable it and phone is turn off, when you lift it up, the phone will wake up. Yep. And the double tap to turn on the screen, so double tap on the screen, double tap to turn off the screen, it's the same way. The double tap on empty space on the home screen, on lock screen. Okay. Alert when phone picked up, so you will vibrate when you pick up after the missing or enable call. Yep, so the phone is lay on your table, picking up, and it will vibrate because you have some notification. Mute with the gesture, so you can mute calls by putting your hand over the screen. Yep, so you over the screen, hand on your phone is mute every notification. And palm swipe to capture, so swipe the edge of your hand across the screen to take the screenshot. I think I need to let's try to do that. Okay, write me in the comment if you done this. Because I have a camera here and I have some problem. So that's it about the motion gestures. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.